Introducing the ultimate solution for pet owners, an automatic pet feeder with Wi-Fi control. With the Smart Life app, you can feed your pet anytime, anywhere, and even set up a daily feeding schedule. Say goodbye to worries about irregular feeding habits. Control portion sizes, feeding intervals, and even use Alexa to feed your pet with ease. Keep your pet healthy and happy with up to 10 meals per day and easy-to-clean stainless steel bowls. Don't miss out on this convenient and reliable feeding solution. Visit the link in bio for more information.